Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selin. If you're new to my channel, you are most definitely welcome. Guys, what's up with you guys? What's up? You guys, how you guys doing? I missed you guys. I miss filming. Like seriously, my entire world is crumbling when I don't film. It was a joke. Hope you guys are enjoying your new year so far. All glory belongs to him alone. Addicted by the pandemic, by the crisis going on. Just make the best out of yourself. Feel good. Laugh more. Think of something positive and do what makes you happy. Like I always say, that's my logo, period. Go closer to God, do what makes God happy, and you will see everything around you will seems to be so easy and easy, go flowing. You know how we say it or how we do it. Yeah, I just decided to take my time, not to film, just to enjoy the moment, just to enjoy the aura of 2021. And I'm back like I never left. I'm super excited to be back, sitting now here, do makeup. It's my thing, it's my life, it's my everything, period. All right, without any further talking, I'm happy to be back. I hope you guys are happy to see me back. You know how we used to do it. We get glam, we get look put together, we live a free life, we live a very simple life, no hard feelings, drink a lot of water, mind your business, don't let anybody to upset you. Look your face in the mirror and say, oh baby girl, you are looking so snatched. And I'm coming to you today with my go-to makeup. I've been rocking this look for over a month now. Nothing too special, nothing too dramatic, just a simple look put together. Yeah, if you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this full face makeup tutorial, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think, and if you have not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so with that you'll be notified when I have a brand new video on my channel. Okay, thank you. No long talking. As always, don't forget to do what makes you happy, stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love you, ciao. Mwah. Setting powder. I'm going to be taking this brush by Beautyartist. Apply that before I go in with the brow products. I'm taking this Gestop wing eyeliner, which is in number 317. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but this is how it looks like. Wing liner 317, and this one is in what is it called? This one is in medium to dark. All right. So I'm going to be taking this darker one right here to start to do some fill in right here. So I'm just going to fast forward this part because you guys, I have a brow link down below always in case you want to get an in-depth how I do my brow. We are still in the game. We ain't lost practice. And I've been loving this 3D waterproof eyebrow product from Catrice. Oh, the Mary is still popping. Is it dropping like it's sad? Okay, so I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer in the shade Honey.
Everyone could break my heart, but I try my best to not fall apart. And I found it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. You'll be my pleasure.
So NYX eyeshadow base, this one right here in E6B01. Okay, this brush is from ABH the one that came with the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do a little bit dabbing. But don't worry, just hold on. So for our eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this Trendy Up eyeshadow from drugstore. I'm going to be taking this shade right here. My go-to, okay, my go-to for 2021. I'm going to use to blend around. I'll be taking the 6 Plus brush. Okay, the same shade I apply on my lid. I'm going to blend it out. Okay, don't get life twisted, like seriously. I made it, okay. Right now I'm just going to dip it a little bit more. This beautiful brownish kind of gray shade. And it's everything up. This eyeshadow, guys, it has a huge fallout. But I've been using this for quite some time now. In I'm just going to line my waterline first. For primer, I'm going to be taking the Smashbox Iconic Primer Stick. Too much primer today. My T-zone, forehead, my nose, and all those areas that we need. It's basically all over my face, okay, all over my face. Foundation, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, Juvia's Place G103 flat buffer. I never get to use this foundation, and I was so glad that it has been my go-to, and it's still working, and it's still be my go-to. So you guys know how we do it. We start from one side.
Where am I going now? Just falling over dreams. Now I'm just so far gone. This isn't what it seems.
I'm just going to take my beauty blender and do finish, extra finish we call it. I'm going to be taking this powder right here. Which powder am I going to be taking for my finish? I'm going to be taking Maybelline City Bronzer in Deep Cool 300. Sorry. This powder kind of reminds me of MAC Mireille Skin Finish. This is the effect that is given to me, and I've been using it so well, and it has been lasting me. It's been making my foundation to stay in place, even if it's a drugstore product, but it's making my foundation to stay. It's not scanty. I'm going to be taking the Juvia's Place concealer number 7 and number 13. Number 13 is to highlight. I'm going to let that sit a couple of minutes. I'm going to take number 7 to contour. I'm going to take this Makeup Factory contour brush. I'm just going to blend out my contour. Today, guess what? Your baby girl, no, Selin. I'm going to be trying elf contouring brush. This one right here. Just wish me luck. I couldn't wait to try it on camera with you guys. I got this, I think 2 months ago, if I'm not mistaken. I was just like, I want to try with you guys in case you're if you're interested, you want to grab it for free, recommendable, period. But let's see how it turned our nose into. Okay, it's not fluffy. Bear in mind, it's not fluffy. It's thick, but it's a little bit fluffy, in between fluffy, in between stiff. Okay. I love it, like I really love it. Okay, I love it. Bring it down, okay, bring it down. Your highlight started or contour. I don't want to see that, baby girl. You need to level up the game, period. This year the makeup game needs to be another level. You know what I mean? You know how we do it. That's the game. That's the rule. Rule number 1, blend. Take your time to blend, okay? Rule number 1. Rule number 2, oh my god, don't apply too much product, okay? The lesser, the better your makeup will turn out to, period. So let's go ahead and set our eye. Taking the Espon loose powder. Brush. I'm not going to be using the cream products brush. It's not working. I don't like it. It makes my product to be stick when I use a cream products brush, something like this. It's making the product not coming out the way I want it to pop. So I'm going to be taking this Sephora brush right here, and this one is for blush, but I'm going to use it to contour, okay? So you just grab the product, but when you use something like this, it's not grabbing really because it's like stiff and soak. So yeah, oh my god, this bronzer, it's really everyday bronzer. This one right here, I love it a lot. See, chocolate brown skin girls, your skin is like a pearl. Yes. I'm going to be taking this Catrice blush, and this one is called Burgundy, and I'm going to be taking this However Looks Chic Finish brush. All right, I think I passed it right. Flawless finish face. This blush, girl, you don't want to joke with her. She's so sexy. She's really sexy. Like, she just elevates your cheeks to another level. Like, seriously, I meant it. This Just Stop Looks highlighter brush. This one right here. L'Oreal Infallible Magic Setting Spray. Before I go in with my lashes, just going to remove the excess powder so we can look put together. Go in and line my upper line. She's shading Champagne Lashy. This one is hashtag 63. Okay. just a little bit, not that much. I'm going to be setting my eyebrow, guys, so we don't forget that. Maybelline lip liner and Alveda lip liner. First I'm going to go in with the Maybelline. Trying the new liquid lipstick, which is by Judith. I don't know if it's new, but for me it's new. I've not tried. And this one is in what is it called? And this one is number 689. All right. Coverage, not a lot. It has a good coverage. Liquid lipstick, you know how it does. I'm going to be taking this elf liquid lipstick, and this one is in Champagne Glam. I'm going to apply it on the cupid's bone.